Hi. So this is the fifth video in the series that we are doing with respect to reimagining work for in the AI-enabled environment for agencies and marketing departments. And this one's about reporting. And I do believe it's always gets underutilized. And this whole flurry of doing day-to-day activities, reporting, getting insights from it, really deserves more attention. And the big change that Gen AI has got with respect to this, with respect to reporting as a function, is that it can be a lot more goal oriented, and that's the promise of Gen AI. And just because of that, it has a potential to get a lot more utilized, because it's goal oriented. I will just be sharing my screen, and I will take you through what exactly I mean by that. So, okay. So I am now within the I'm in a within team workflows, and I'm in a reporting report workflow. And the one of the important thing with respect to reporting is that, if you just make it like a report and if you mail it to top management, it will just lie in the inbox. So, it's better to look at it as a reporting plus insights plus next steps, kind of a workflow. And you start by documenting it down. This is an example of a weekly B2B, ABM marketing kind of workflow reporting for that. And not going into the specifics, but the point here is that first you have to start by documenting it, right? Like is given, right? And after that, there could be the realization that some of it could be used. A prompt can be used to to formulate the report in like for example the recommendation, right? So this recommendation with respect to which mails are doing well and what is the next round of mails, this can be the report for this can be a one pager which can be generated from a prompt, right? So in some of the other cases, it could be you could realize that, okay, it's actually an agent which can just go to different tools, and that is the reality today, that marketing and business development, you use different tools. So just the agent could be looking at different tools, could be updating different tools. So let's actually go to agent, a reporting agent, and let's look at. So I'm going to the agent library, and I'm just going to go to uh, the SEO intelligence report, and we have a sample output here. So you can see that this has taken the data from various tools, okay, and it has it has come up with recommendations of what needs to happen in so this is, for example, there is no content for the high intent query, so that becomes, this is the gap, right? And this is a urgent gap which needs to be fulfilled. This is an example of a typical SEO intelligence report. You can see things with respect to the ranking and you know so the point here is, I did say that the promise of Gen AI is that it can be a lot more goal oriented. And if you take this report as an example, maybe the company has in this quarter the mandate to focus more on personal loans as opposed to auto loans. So then the report could be modified in that manner. The priority could be first auto, then first personal, then auto. Or it could be the company could have taken a call with respect to looking at mobile friendliness maybe in the next quarter, because it just takes a lot of bandwidth from the tech team. So again, this need not be put up as a critical issue, right? Or with respect to high value keywords, there could be some strategic keywords, which some set of 50 say keywords, which no matter what you want to just give your best shot at it, right? So then that becomes that gets separated out and is kind of flagged out to whoever's looking at it that this needs attention. So this is the way you can make any of the reports more goal oriented. And when you do that, you will automatically realize that people reading the report are paying more attention to it. Right. So that's like a brief video on how, like, across BD and marketing, you can make reporting plus insights plus actions a workflow. I mentioned that in the beginning, and how you can the reports which are done by agents, how you can make it more goal oriented and hence more useful in any marketing department scenario. Thanks.